So let me show you how you can change the scrolling direction on your Mac computer. So naturally, we're going to head over to our system settings, and you can see we have the regular general section probably showing up as first, but as you keep on scrolling, you'll be able to get to the mouse or trackpad settings. Depends on your Mac, whether you're using MacBook or iMac or anything else, but you want to get to the settings menu for the pointer device, which, as I say, might be mouse or trackpad. But in here within the mouse, you can find a couple of options like the tracking speed, but in here we have the natural scrolling. So it tracks your finger movement, and you can enable it or disable it, but at the top you have a little representation of what it would look like, right? So you can even test it out in here, which direction you have to slide the finger across to move in which. You can re-enable it, and now as you can see, it moves completely differently. So that's how you can play around with it. You can definitely make sure that it works. This is essentially everything. It's called natural scrolling, but whichever option you prefer, make sure you keep it this way, because that's the point of this settings menu. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Let me know if you managed to change it for yourself. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in future uploads.